Today's recipe is Budae Jjigae, one of Korea's most famous stews. It has unique history. We'll talk a little about that later. Today's version isn't the most traditional, but it's easy to make, hearty, and perfect for sharing. Let's get started. Budae Jjigae has a history that goes back to the years after the Korean War. Food was scarce at the time, so people began making stews with ingredients they could get from nearby US military bases, such as ham, sausages, and canned beans. They combined those ingredients with Korean flavors like kimchi and spicy seasonings. Over time, the dish developed into the Budae Jjigae we know today. It began during a difficult period in Korean history, but today it has become a popular dish enjoyed by many people. I think it's interesting how food can change over time and become something completely different from where it started. Budae Jjigae is both a popular restaurant dish and something many people make at home. These days, it's easy to find packs of assorted sausages and ham made especially for Budae Jjigae, and meal kits are also very common. So a lot of people enjoy making it at home. When I was growing up though, it felt more like a dish you went out to eat with your family. Now I'm already in my mid-30s. When did that happen? If you have some soup left after eating with rice, try adding instant noodles. It's one of the best ways to finish Budae Jjigae. For today's epilogue, we'd like to share some clips from my sister's trip to Bali. I've always wanted to visit Indonesia, but I still haven't had the chance. I hope I can go someday. Thank you for watching until the end. Since we are a food channel, we decided to focus on the food my sister's family enjoyed during their trip to Bali. Indonesia is known for its amazing food, and I'd love to visit someday. If you have a favorite Indonesian dish, let us know in the comments. Mine is definitely satay. I've been learning a little about Indonesia lately, and I found out that it's made up of more than 17,000 islands. Even Java, the island where Jakarta is located, is larger than South Korea. Maybe that's one of the reasons Indonesian cuisine is so diverse. As someone who loves food, it's definitely one of the countries I want to visit the most. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If it helped make your day a little lighter, then we're really happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.